incredibly excited. For the next 2 weeks, I'm on a 16-passenger gullet cruising through the Mediterranean islands of Turkey and Greece with Mediterranean Delights Fitness Voyage. We get to do yoga and exercises on board the boat while doing hikes, checking out some of the amazing islands along the way. Spent a couple days in Simi, which is an extraordinary Greek island. In the summertime there's 5,000 people who live here, and in the wintertime there's 2,000. But they don't build any more homes to keep it as beautiful as it is. So homes here go for about 2 million euros. Last night we arrived in Simi Island, and this morning we're just doing a really lovely 5-kilometer hike kind of around the island, and later today we're going to be checking out a monastery that has some frescoes from both the 14th and 15th centuries. So I can't take you inside the chapel behind me, but the walls and the ceilings and everything is absolutely covered in frescoes from the 14th and 15th century. It's absolutely incredible. So we just disembarked on Nisyros Island in the Greek islands, and behind me is Nisyros volcano, and we're actually going to get to go down in the crater there. The volcano is still semi-active. It actually smells a lot like sulfur here. If you listen really closely, you might actually be able to hear the hiss of all the steam coming out of the vents. Can you hear that? How beautiful is this? I don't know if I've ever seen water so pretty. Landed on Tilos Island in Greece, which is also known as Cat Island, aka my happy place. Check out all the cats. And these are only some of them, they're not all of the cats either.